It's getting Christmassy in the Stamford household. We left the kitchen in a mess last night, so I had a bit of a tidy this morning. Sorted the dogs out and then made myself a coffee, of course. The doggies are absolutely loving their advent calendar. I feel like they're going to be so sad when Christmas is over. I journaled again, as I do every morning. And then it was hair wash day, so these are the products that I used to wash my hair today. Picked out a mantra and I got the same one that I chose the other day. I'm sorry, but I feel like that's the universe giving me a sign. There's like 50 cards to pick from. I shuffled them and I chose the same one. So it obviously really wants me to believe that my self-belief is my superpower. Filmed in my studio this morning, did some hair tutorials, they're coming soon. Then had some lunch and then we tackled the living room. Now to move the tree we have to have a bit of a switch up, so we moved the living room around and got rid of the armchairs. Our first year having some Christmas cushions, how cute are they? Then I hung up some lights in the window, ta-da! Then we jumped in the car and headed to a place that sells Christmas trees. Not as good as the place we found last year, so I don't think we'll be coming back, but we found a good enough tree which literally took up the whole entire car. I think it's about 7 foot, but we trimmed it down and yeah, this is us decorating. You can't hear it, but we put on some Christmas tunes in the background. I mean, you have to do that if you're putting up your Christmas tree. And then the theme for this tree is just anything goes, to be honest. When Paper Chase was about, we literally went in there and bought their entire bauble collection. So this tree is just full of the most random baubles. Yes, that is a Dairily Dunker on our Christmas tree, but it just fits with the whole vibe of the living room because it's very, very colourful and eclectic. Bless the doggies, they were so good when we put up the tree. And they're loving their new Christmas cushions. Honestly, feeling so festive now. And my new Christmas mugs arrived. Oh my god, they're so cute. Then I finished my day with some editing and packed my suitcase because I'm off to London for the next 2 days.